Ramon's paint job. Ramon loves to paint cars and try different designs. Sometimes he uses letters in his designs, so he should know his consonants well. Tick the correct word that begins with the highlighted consonant.
Tick the correct word that begins with the highlighted consonant. S for sand, P for pot, Z for zero, V for van, T for tag,
Alright, let's check. Great going! Ride to Springs. It's Cruz Ramirez's first time in Radiator Springs. It's an exciting place for her to visit. Let's see what she might come across. Tick the correct word that
Tick the correct word that ends with the highlighted consonant. P for shop, R for door, Z for quiz, T for seat, Y for ferry, S for bus.
Alright, let's check. Great going! Radio race. Lightning McQueen is helping Cruz win a race through the radio. Lightning might need to know his consonants in order to give her clear instructions. Tick the correct consonant to complete the word.
The correct consonant to complete the word. UMP before P, pump. OW before H, how. AC before R, race. IRE before F, fire. UNE before S, sun. AN before V, van.
Alright, let's check. Great job! To the finish line! Cruz is paying close attention to Lightning's instructions over the radio. Let's see what words Lightning might use.
Tick the correct consonant to complete the word. SLO after W, slow. STA after Y, stay. BUZ after Z, buzz. DRO after P, drop. BONU after S,
Okay,
bonus.
let's check.
CA after R, car.
Great going! Signboard fun. The residents of Radiator Springs are rebuilding their signboards. To paint the signs properly, they need to know their consonant sounds. Circle the words that begin with the highlighted consonants. Keep in mind, there might be more than one right
Circle the
answer in
word that begins with the highlighted consonant. D for dab, D for Dan, for pet, P for pan, B for box, B for bat, T for town, T for tug, F for fan, F for fault, Z for jeep, Z for Jap.
Alright, let's check. You did it! Oh, great job! Simple signs. Luigi and Guido are redesigning their store. To read the new signboards, the customers have to know their consonants. Circle the words that end with the highlighted consonants. Remember, there might be more than one right answer here.
Circle the word that ends with the highlighted consonant. P for hop, P for cup, T for hat, cab, B for tub, D for bold, D for bad, F for leaf, F for proof, Z for jazz, Z for buzz.
Okay, let's check. Great job! Summer. Oh, Summer is here, and Olaf is having a lot of fun. He is having a picnic at the beach. Let's find out what he might have packed. Circle the words with the highlighted vowel in the second position. Keep in mind, there might be more than one.
Circle the words with the highlighted vowel in the second position. A for watermelon, A for sandwich, E for lemonade, E for peach, O for bowl, O for towel, O for fork, I for biscuits, E for tent, E for beds,
Okay, let's check. Good job! Castles at the beach. Olaf wants to build sound castles at the fjord. Together with Elsa and Anna, the three of them head to the beach. Choose the path that has words with the vowel letter U in the second position.
choose the path that has words with the vowel letter U in the second position. Puddle, fun, bud, mud, run, bug, hum, duck.
Okay, let's check. You did it! Oh, great job! 3 wishes. Aladdin finds a mysterious lamp and accidentally rubs it, releasing Genie. Genie tells Aladdin about the 3 wishes that he can grant him. Let's see what words Genie might use. Circle the words with the highlighted short vowel sound. Keep in mind.
Ready.
Circle the words with the highlighted short vowel sound. A for cab, A for cap, E for bait, E for mate, I for beat, I for fit, O for hop, O for corn, U for tub, U for cut.
Alright, let's check. Good job. To the palace. Genie has just turned Aladdin into a prince. Aladdin wants to go to the palace to meet Princess Jasmine. Choose the path that has words with short vowel sounds.
Ready.
Choose the path that has words with short vowel sounds.
To the questions.
Nut, map, red, bean, pen, dip, caught, mud,
Okay, let's check.